Welcome to Ratio and Rates. So firstly, a couple of definitions. So ratios are used to compare quantities with the same units. So the ratio of m to n is written m ratio n, whereas a rate compares quantities with different units. So 20 metres per 1 second, or we could write it as 20 metres per second. So the first example we're going to have a look at is simplifying 20 ratio 30 and 0.12 ratio 0.4. And we're going to treat these very much like fractions, where you'll just find the common divider, or the number that goes into both. So 20 ratio 30, if I divide both by 10, I get 2 ratio 3. To do the second one with decimals, we could just put it on our calculator as a fraction and put 0.12 over 0.4. But let's look at how it should be done. So we convert them to whole numbers. So we're going to times both by 100. So we get 12 ratio 40, and 4 goes into both of those, so giving you 3 ratio 10. So our second example looks at dividing a number into a ratio, and we find each portion. So we've got $600 divided into the ratio 5 to 7. So the first step is you find out the total number of parts. So there are 5, the ratio is 5 to 7, so you add 5 and 7 to get 12. So 12 parts is $600, so therefore one part is $500, and we multiply that, one part is $50, and we multiply that 50 by the 2 parts. So the smallest portion was the 5 in the ratio, so it's 5 by 50, and the larger portion was the 7 in the ratio, so it's 7 by 50. Let's look at a rate. Write 200 kilometres in 2.5 hours in its simplest form. So that's 200 kilometres per 2.5 hours. And if I do it as a fraction, 200 over 2.5, that gets me 80 kilometres per hour. And that's what we mean by simplest form. We normally have the second unit, the per, as in a unit of 1. Final example, we're going to convert 40 kilometres an hour to metres per second. So note that 40 kilometres per hour is 40 kilometres per 1 hour. So I'm going to write that as a fraction, have the 40 on the top and the 1 on the bottom. So we convert the 40 kilometres on the numerator into metres. So that's 40 lots of 1,000. And we convert the 1 hour on the bottom into seconds. So we times by 60 times by 60. And that gets us 11.1 metres per second. Thank you.